Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Skool to make money online, even if you're a complete beginner. This method is simple and works step by step. First, go to Skool, sign up, and create your own community. This is your space where people will join and access your content. Next, choose a niche. Think about what you know or what people want to learn, like fitness, online business, freelancing, or study tips. Keep it simple and focused. Now, start adding content. This can be posts, tutorials, or mini courses that help your audience solve a problem or learn something new. Then set up a paid membership. Choose a monthly price and offer exclusive access to your content. Even a small fee can grow into steady income over time. Finally, promote your community. Share it on social media, YouTube, or with friends. As people join and see value, you'll start earning from your community. And that's it. Using Skool to make money is really that simple. Pick a niche, create value, and grow your community, then turn it into income.